Students, now we are going to see the fourth lesson, sixth exercise. Exercise number 6 in fourth lesson. Exprimer ce que ces personnes feraient dans la circonstance suivante. What these peoples are doing, you have to express. Okay. See the example. Je riche construire une école. I rich to construct a school. You must think je, I, subject pronoun, reach is an adjective, construire is the verb in the original infinitive form. Une école is additional information. So sentences detail is given. You must frame a sentence. Okay. Using a verb. Verb is in original infinitive form only. So you must frame that. So you see the example. Si j'étais riche, je construirais une école. If I were rich, I would construct a school. Sentence start with si, that is if. Je and ete is the vowel, so J apostrophe will come, and être verb they are using. So the conjugation verb of être is in imperfect tense. After conjugation of imperfect, they are using the adjectives rich. After the adjectives, again they are using the subject, and then verb is in the question is in the conditional form, conditional tense. Question is in infinitive form, we have to write in conditional tense. The same method we have to frame the remaining sentence. Okay. So same model. What they did here, they started the sentence with if, si, and je. They are using the être verb, and then one verb is être, another verb is imperfect. After si, the first verb être is imperfect, and the second verb it is given there that they are conjugation in conditional tense. Okay. The sentence start with si. The first verb is imperfect, second verb is in conditional tense. So imperfect stem, the general rule, new form of the present tense, and remove ons and put imperfect ending. That is the rule for imperfect. So first verb être. Imperfect stem of être verb is e acute t. That is a stem here, and the subject is je. Imperfect ending is ais. So it is a construit is a infinitive form. So the verb ends with re, remove e, and till r is the stem, and ending according to the subject je is a conditional ending ais. Conditional ending and imperfect ending both is same only. Okay. According to the subject you have to write. See the first one sentence. See the first. El professeur de français emmène des élèves en français. He, French teacher, to take the students in France. See, construct the meaningful sentence like the example. Okay. Sentence should start with C. Subject is L. So both is vowel. So L, S apostrophe is enough. And professor. Before professor dash you have to fill with imperfect. And second verb is given there omine. That is conditional tense you have to use and conjugate. So here sentences start with si. So first verb is imperfect and second verb is given there and that verb is a conditional. Okay. So see here, first verb is être Imperfect stem is E acute T and subject is IL imperfect AIT. The second verb amine should be conditional tense. So future stem of amine is end with ER. The whole thing is you can write and stop of the second E. Accent. Okay, accent graph you have to write and according to the subject you have to fill ending AIT. Okay. So you will get s'il était professeur de français, il emmènerait des élèves en France. If he were a French teacher, he would take students in France. Okay. Number 2. Tu premier ministre travaille pour la paix. You, Prime Minister, to work for peace. So you must frame a sentence. Tui is the subject that you remember, and both the verb. First verb is in imperfect être verb, and second verb travailler is given there, that should be in conditional. Okay, so first verb être should be in imperfect. Imperfect stem you know E acute T, and the subject is tui. So imperfect ending is AIS. And travailler is in infinitive form. So you can write as it is, that is the stem for you. And according to the tui, ending is AIS. So finally you will get, si tu étais premier ministre, tu travaillais pour la paix. If you were a prime minister, you would work for peace. Third one, elle en vacances lire toute la journée. She on vacation to read throughout the daytimes. C, elle dash en vacances. Elle dash toute la journée. First dash, être verb you have to fill with for a first dash, and second one you have to use for conditional. Verb is given there, lire. Okay. Imperfect stem for être, E acute T, and subject is ELLE. So imperfect end AIT. Second verb lire and ends with RE. Remove E. Get LIR is the stem, and according to the subject you have to write the ending AIT. So remember, imperfect ending and conditional ending both the same. Si elle était en vacances, elle lirait toute la journée. If she were on vacation, she would read books throughout the day. Fourth one, vous astronautes voyagez dans l'espace. Si vous dash, and first dash you have to fill with être and imperfect, and second verb is given voyager, so you must conjugate and write in conditional. So according to the subject you have to use, here subject is vous, so ending you have to check, ending will come IEC. IE is it. ETA, imperfect stem ET, so subject is vous, you can write conditional ending IE is it. Voyager, conditional stem, so it is very easy. Voyager, write the whole things, and subject is vous, conditional ending is IE is it. Okay, voyagerier. Okay, fifth one, il magicien faire la pâtisserie dans le pain. The magicians to make the rabbits acute. The sentence starts with C. ILS is the subject. According to the subject, you have to conjugate the être verb. And second verb, faire is given, that you have to conditional tense. Imperfect stem is E acute T, and subject is ILS is plural form, so AIENT. And fair should in conditional tense. Second verb, fair is the irregular future tense, so that is FER. Subject is ILS, ending is AIENT. So remember this, fair is the infinitive irregular verb. Okay, thank you.